Hi guys, today I'll show you how to fix volume buttons not working on iPhone. Sometimes the volume buttons stop responding. In some cases, the buttons work only for media volume but not for ringtone volume. And sometimes the buttons are physically stuck because of the case or dust. This usually happens because of a tight phone case, dust near the buttons, wrong volume settings, a temporary iOS bug, or physical button damage. So let's fix it step by step. Method 1. Remove the case and clean the volume buttons. The first method is checking the phone case and buttons. Sometimes the issue is not with your iPhone, it can be the phone case. If your case is too tight, it may block the volume buttons or keep pressing them. So first, remove the iPhone case. Now press the volume buttons again and check if they click properly. If the buttons feel stuck, gently clean around the volume buttons using a soft brush. Don't use sharp objects, water, or too much pressure. Dust or small particles can get stuck around the button area and stop the buttons from working properly. Method 2. Restart your iPhone. The second method is restarting your iPhone. Sometimes the volume buttons stop working because of a temporary iOS glitch. Restarting the iPhone can refresh the system and fix small bugs. Press and hold the side button and volume button together. When the power slider appears, drag it to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds. Now press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. After your iPhone turns on, test the volume buttons again. Method 3. Turn on change with buttons. The third method is checking the volume button setting. By default, your iPhone volume buttons may only change media volume. So when you press the buttons, ringtone volume may not change. To fix this, open Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, find Change with Buttons, turn it on. Now your volume buttons can control the ringer and alert volume too. This is useful if your buttons work in apps like YouTube or music but they don't change ringtone volume. Method 4. Check if the issue happens only inside one app. The fourth method is checking a specific app. If the volume buttons are not working only inside one app, then the issue may be with that app and not your iPhone. For example, if the buttons work normally on the home screen or YouTube but not inside one app, reinstall that app. Press and hold the app icon. Tap Remove App, delete the app. Now open the App Store. Install the app again. After reinstalling, open the app and check the volume buttons again. Method 5. Use Control Center as a temporary fix. The fifth method is using Control Center. If your volume buttons are still not working, you can still control volume from the screen. If you are using iPhone 10 or newer, swipe down from the top right corner. If you are using iPhone SE, iPhone 8 or older, swipe up from the bottom. Now use the volume slider to increase or decrease the sound. This is not a permanent fix, but it helps when your physical buttons are not responding. Method 6. Use Assistive Touch for volume control. The sixth method is using Assistive Touch. This is useful if your volume buttons are damaged or hard to press. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, tap Touch, tap Assistive Touch. Turn on Assistive Touch. Now you will see a floating button on the screen. Tap the floating button. Tap Device. Now tap Volume Up or Volume Down. This lets you control volume without using the physical buttons. Method 7. Use Siri or settings to control volume. The final method is using Siri or volume settings. You can ask Siri to increase or decrease volume. Press and hold the side button to activate Siri. Then say something like increase the volume or say decrease the media volume. You can also control ringtone volume from settings. Open Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, use the volume slider under ringtone and alerts. This helps if your physical buttons are not working and you need another way to manage sound. When to contact Apple support. If none of these methods work and the buttons do not click properly, the problem may be physical damage. In that case, you should contact Apple support or visit an Apple service center. If the volume buttons are damaged, software fixes will not solve the issue. Quick recap. If your iPhone volume buttons are not working, try these fixes. Remove the case and clean the buttons. Restart your iPhone. Turn on Change with buttons. Check if the issue happens only in one app. Use Control Center volume slider. Use Assistive Touch. Use Siri or settings to control volume. Contact Apple support if the buttons are physically damaged. Start with the case and button cleaning first because that is the simplest fix. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.